Go.
Jets back from the bathroom.
Never washing hands.
I did. Wash my hands.
There was no toilet paper, so he used his hands. No toilet paper.
In the bathroom stall.
Soap on the bedroom door. I meant bathroom door. Let's read about someone's life. Stop putting it on my face. It doesn't belong on YouTube. We got off topic. We're supposed to be singing about the bathroom. I'm losing my chord progression. Someone help me, please.
Do not worry.
Please take me by the hand. It's so cold tonight and I need the
Rockstar.